cannot leave this stage without saying. You were talking about promoters and why artists are choosing to do their own shows. Promoters are fully disrespectful. Baina kamanyira bana abo. How dare does a TV host a man who comes on TV and says he has made a list of prices of artists, and that fool, the same fool is the same one who's going to call the same artists bazalaye to perform TV atabayite mujye munkoleji mukubire kati wabera ku TV ngasaba bebe wa milioni emu gundi asana zino kakati ekiddako ngamze mulinda. This is what happened to Eddie Sandy. For Eddie Sandy, I will say the truth. Okay, Eddie Sandy goes on Saturday and talks hell about my brand and how much I deserve. Me, I listen, it's okay. But then he has a venue where he signed a contract where he does events. Yes. And the boss tells him, I want you to bring Bebe. So the next week he had a problem of calling me, first calling me. He called, I listened. He said, I need you to perform for me on this day. I said, it's okay. What are the rates? I gave him my rates. I told him, okay, for that venue, I'll take 15 million. He's like, huh? I'm like, it's okay, don't wake up, manager. It's okay. And what you do? Nonya kamilioni anti ku radio show yagamba nti oliye wa sente zino nze ndi wazi kati nga zayogera okungamba mukutu kati nga ne muganda eddagwe engeri giwagambye nti oli ye munene weezo zimutwalire kati ate ne mmala ne mukubira akamiri ne mugamba oyo takuleetera ezo musabe eddabo. Tukomao. So Douglas, these promoters must learn to respect the business from which they make money, and their business is artists. Thank you. Joseph, are you ready for the battle? I am ready for the battle, but then the battle comes at a cost. This is the most, these are the biggest brands in the music industry in Uganda today, by far reach. Okay? Kati abantu baffe nsuubira nti bwe tuba okukola battle, Africa must pay attention. Because Africa. It is a 6 o'clock evening to a 6 o'clock in the morning, and it is to prove. The world has always had this question. You know, surely battles, you don't need to be enemies. No. You just need to now say, okay, prove to me, go on singer, or banze kusinga. Nenga omusajja omusinga. Ate kati sakusalawo. Kati mwe musalawo wali ng'olunaku lukoze eki? Nga luwedde. Oyogedde ku kosti. Tukyalira ku events because the battle is also going to be one of the most talked about events. Newo tugamba mbu si eyo katujjeyo lo katujjogereko kati. The battle of Bebe Cool and Chameleon. Who is sponsoring? Is it state? Is Bebe organizing funds or lese sente zo ne Chameleon aleta sente zo ne mugata ne mukola battle? Ani ateka mu sente? I think an individual cannot, or individuals cannot sponsor that game because it is way too expensive. It has to be government.
And you can never cover that money from games. Because you can't, whether you say what.
But government can do it and the reasons are the reasons why they should do it in the future is obvious. One, appreciate what Bebe and Chameleon have done for this industry, because these two guys have dug that road that is now confirmed as an entity or a fraternity that pays and makes life. I know there were people before who did what they did, but then we have that extra mile that we went to extend, to bring it back down here. I don't want to break down how artists have
Bobby Wine wali ku side ate nga mwabeeranga basatu. Lwaki tugase Chameleon, Bebe Cool, Bobby Wine ne Kiggwa
ono ayagala tukubya
ati battle ezirala zaaliwo before I understand waliwo bato ya Bobby
Yes.
Chameleon.
Yes.
Yali ku katikati.
Uh-huh.
Ne wajjawo bato ya Bebe ne Bobby.
Yes.
Ne wajjawo bato ya Bebe ne Good Life.
Yes.
Kakati wabulawo bato wakati wa Bebe ne Chameleon.
Lwaki oli
Ekintu ekyo
omujjamu?
kigwe.
Principal lwaki omujjamu?
Ate principal yaggwa dda. Ate lwaki principal muddamu omusajja mwagaza ki?
Okoma mu round 2.
Ate round 2 ng'ono sinnamukwata round 1. Kansooke mmalirize ono round 1. Then principal bato ye ey'abasatu ejja kujja ng'avudde mu bino ebintu kubanga abuzayo emyaka gye nga 10 bino ebintu abikoowe. Tujja kuwa chance kubaffe tujja kuba tukyatrendinga.
Toyagala bamusiime kati ssaawa zino.
Tasobola kati tasobolerako ddala naawe. Let us be genuine.
Isaac lwaki oyogera tekuli mayiti? Isaac aseba alina byayisaayisaawo talina mayiti alese Bebe afafaagane.
Nga nfaafaagana ki? Principal talina music. Isaac tebakutiisatiisa.
We have 9 minutes. Naye.
Quality of what to spend on. Abayimbi boyagala okuteekamu ssente. Types of songs, names of songs, how does the artist look, what did the artist talk, how does he conduct himself, of what value do you attach a corporate company that can spend 200 or 300 million onto an individual? Here comes TikTok. Osanga abayimbi bavuma bawemula, they look like they don't bathe, they look like hell, and you want corporate companies. Let me tell you something, Douglas. A brand is the most expensive thing. Olabezo company, they matter, everything matters. Cleanliness, how you conduct yourself, bathing, it's pure now.
It matters.
So now, Bojango Imbe Nyimbe Zuemula, Boyagala sponsorship mu company there, MTN. Sincerely speaking, Boja, Osiba Tikitoko, Empire Zien, Zukolabiti, Oyagala UBA requested. These people have conduct. These are corporate companies. Ajikambo corporate,
yes.
So, if you do not behave in the line of corporate, then you cannot be favored by the system of the corporate companies.
Okay.